Hi, I am Ishita, and this is a video about autumn and winter trends in 2025 that you should follow, that are worth investing it, that are worth buying, that you can wear for maybe 1 or 2 or more years. So hit thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because this is my first video and I'm gonna kill it. Let's get started. So I have my notebook ready, and it's a Billie Eilish notebook. I love this one. I have made proper notes about all the trends. First one is chocolate brown color. Yes, it's a color and it can be anything in the color chocolate brown. It can be a coat, it can be a fur jacket, it can be like a vest like this one, and it can be jeans, trousers, anything. Next trend is burgundy red, and we all know that red has been trending for many years now, and it is going to stay in trend for this year as well. Anything that you buy in the shade red, this particular red, it is going to be in trend for next few years, so it is definitely worth investing in. So when we talk about this particular shade of red, you can buy anything, and I'm saying literally anything. I have a muffler in this shade and it looks stunning. Even a suit in this shade or a shawl in this shade is gonna look so beautiful. So let's move on to the next one. It is skirts. Now, what I mean when I say skirts is that long skirts are gonna be in trend for this year. Investing in a long skirt, it can be a satin skirt, a silk skirt, and silk and satin are different. Please don't confuse it. It can be even a plaid skirt, because plaids are also in trend. For the past few years, I have seen that plaids are gaining a lot of popularity and attention. Even last year, plaid jackets were in trend, and this year as well, it's gonna be in trend. And plaid skirt is also something which is gonna be very next are funnel jackets. Now funnel jackets are the one which have like a longer neck, and it can be a jacket, it can be a sweater, but usually jackets are in trend. And also anything which looks kind of different, like any jacket, or any top, any blouse, anything which looks sort of different, sort of unique. For example, a top, or a simple top with wrap detailings, or like it's a top. You can look at it and say that it's a top, but it's kind of weird. It's giving unique, it's giving weird, it's giving new, it's giving something which you cannot describe. So that is very popular these days. That Next up, we have our favorite, everybody's favorite, which is lace. Either you love it or you absolutely hate it. And here are some ways in which you can style lace. Tank top, a lace tank top, it always looks so good. I have always been a fan of lace tank tops. I think it looks so good, and you can just layer a jacket on top, or you can style it in any way, and it is going to look good. You are going to look so chic with like a lace tank top. I think people who wear lace tank tops are like so chic. So next up, we all sort of know it. We all can see it on Pinterest, on Instagram, everywhere. It is very popular, which is belts. And not one single belt, like lots of belts. I recently saw Lara Raj from Cat's Eye, if you know her. She, in one of her performances, I guess, she wore something black with a lot of belts, and I absolutely loved it. Like, she looked so cool. I think when you can pull off something which has a lot of belts, it is so crazy, because I am kind of scared of experimenting a lot. That's why I don't have a lot of belts and I don't know how to style it. But something, if you can style a lot of belts, it's gonna look good. It's gonna look avant garde, what it's called. Avant garde, whatever. It's gonna look that cool. It's gonna look haute couture cool. You know what I mean? Like, I think anybody who wears a lot of belts, they look so cool. And next we have slouchy bags. And we all know that slouchy bags are trendy because we see it everywhere. So this is me styling a slouchy kind of slouchy bag which looks so cool, and a lot of people have asked me where I bought it from. So I think slouchy bags are going to be in trend for several few years. It looks so cool, like you're just a chic girl roaming around the city with a slouchy bag and smart casuals. It is so cool. Yeah, next up we have, I have already said it, I guess, but next up we have satin and silk dresses because they have been in the trend for past few years, and they are going to be in trend for the next few years as well. So it's a safe investment. You can buy, or if you have a silk dress, you can style it this winter with like fur jackets or funnel jackets or something cool like a muffler, and it's gonna look so good. It's a very safe investment, so to say. Also, sheer dresses are also something which are in trend. I recently saw Nishorama. It's a very famous Indian brand, Nishorama, come up with this idea, and it looked so cool. Next up, we have scarves as belts. You can also tie it around your jeans, and it is going to look so good because it adds a funky element, and it's like a statement piece. It adds something to your basic outfit, and it looks so pretty. So you can also try this trend, and I think it's a pretty affordable one because we all have cars at our home, right? Next up is polka dots. Yes, polka dots have made a comeback this year because of the economy, and polka dots always make a comeback whenever the economy is going down and whenever there's a period of, what it's called, what's the word for it, recession. Yeah, I guess it's called a recession, but whatever it is, whenever the economy is down and whenever people don't have jobs, polka dots always make a comeback. And I recently saw Ariana Grande in this outfit in polka dots, and I think she looked pretty cute. Polka dots are really cute, but honestly, I don't own anything which is polka dotty because I don't like polka dots personally. I'm not a polka dot person at all. I am not a print person at all. I'm a basic. I like solids and basics. I have very less prints, and I'm not a fan of prints, to be honest. आई थिंक टेक्सचर्स आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा मैटर करते हैं, सो आप कुछ टेक्सचर बेस्ड भी खरीद सकते हो जिसमें बहुत सारा अच्छा सा टेक्सचर हो, जैसे डेनिम। डेनिम का टेक्सचर अलग होता है, सिल्क का टेक्सचर अलग होता है। जो नॉर्मल प्रिंट्स होते हैं जैसे कि कॉटन प्रिंटेड एनीथिंग, इट इज़ मतलब वो ट्रेंड में रहते हैं हमेशा, लाइक इट्स अ क्लासिक, बट वो इतने ज़्यादा ट्रेंडी नहीं लगते हैं, मतलब इट्स जस्ट वेरी प्लेन एंड वेरी नॉर्मल, और वो इतना अच्छा नहीं लगता है टू बी ऑनेस्ट। बट व्हेन यू ऐड some element to those normal prints जैसे कि lace, try these different textures. If you only like to wear cotton, then you definitely need to try new textures because textures are in trend. Honestly, I have always been a texture person. I've never been a print person, but now I think I am kind of including a lot of prints in my wardrobe. So it has been really fun. Yeah, I think that's it for our trends video. I hope you really found I hope you found it really fun and interesting and helpful. So this was it for our video, and I hope you found it very interesting and inspiring and something to learn from. And please leave a comment on कौन सा ट्रेंड आपको सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा, and also subscribe to my channel. Bye.